In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a plan from Microsoft Planner. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're in there, you can find it right here. So click on this sign in option that we can find into this part. Now in there, do take note that you need to have an organization or team account in order to access it because it's inaccessible for personal accounts. So click onto this sign in right here. Now here is my actual Microsoft. So what we can do is we can just click onto this My Plans and you can see right here the plans available to you. So for this part, just choose right here the plan or hover to the plan that you wish to delete. I'll head over and delete this project right here. Click onto these three dots and it will show you this more options. So click on it. You can see the option to hide, copy the links and the links. So since we only have the hide option, let's proceed to open it right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to find this. So what we can do is we can click on this drop down beside this pin icon. You can see the plan details and the likes. From in there, proceed to click on this plan details right here. You can find this plan details such as the plan name, suggested backgrounds, and the likes. From in there, proceed to click on this delete this plan option that we can find. Now, and here you can see this, so make sure to check it right here so you can understand that this plan and all of its tasks will be permanently deleted. From in there, click on this delete, then this will delete this plan for us. As you can see, it's now deleted and we can find it right here into our plan list. So that's all there is today and I hope this video actually helped you out.